Consider the cost of lap band surgery. For someone that struggles with their weight, the daily grind of seeing skinny models on magazine covers, every single person on TV being slim, all with seemingly no effort, and the total deluge of quick fix advertisements you face when you turn on the TV, radio, or even open the paper, it can seem like there are far too many choices and no way to make a clear-cut decision. In fact, when you add weight loss surgery to the list of options, you can become quite overwhelmed. One of the least invasive is lap band surgery. It is also one of the more cost-effective choices you can make. Still, there are things that you need to think about when considering the cost of lap band surgery. The first thing you need to decide is whether or not you can truly afford it. For this, you may need to shop around a bit as the cost of this procedure have gone up in recent years due to it being offered in more places. Though at a high-end clinic, you can expect to pay upwards of around $18,000. There are other places where you can pay quite a bit less, sometimes as low as $15,000. Of course, when you think about the cost of the lap band surgery, you must also consider where you are having it done. The costs I've mentioned apply primarily to the procedure being done in the United States. However, if you want to get the cost of lap band surgery reduced, another place to consider having this done in Mexico. The medical standards are the same as in the United States, and in fact, a lot of lap band surgery get performed there, often at a significant reduction in final cost, sometimes as low as $10,000. That said, if you do consider going this route, you will need to factor in travel time, as well as obtaining proper documentation, such as passport, if you don't already have it. However, if the thought of traveling out of the continental United States in order to have the surgery done is appealing to you, then one other thing that you can do is consider the fact that many clinics have financing options available for you. Consider, however, that the cost of lap band surgery may seem high, the benefits of having it done far outweigh its negative. Of course, the biggest benefit is that you will finally have control over your weight, though you must remember to keep a watchful eye on your diet, and it is not a drawn-out procedure. You can become active again very quickly. One final thing to think about when considering the cost of lap band surgery is that if you decide to get financing, you will have to ensure that your budget is flexible enough to handle the additional payments so that you don't fall behind. That said, if this is not an option, then perhaps figuring out a way to pay for the cost upfront would be your best bet. Brought to you by www.lapbanddoctors.com.